Hi guys, this video is about how to add a vendor into QuickBooks Online. First thing we're going to do is log into QuickBooks. So I'm already logged into QuickBooks here. Second thing to do is go to expenses, vendors, click on new vendor, enter their company name, enter the name of your contact, enter their email, enter their phone number, enter any other information about that person you would like to add. Now, name to print on checks. Keep in mind, you are not writing a check to the contact in particular vendor's company. You are writing the check to that vendor's name, so that company's name. So you'll come here, vendor display name, you'll say vendor display name should be PLAS, and name to print on checks is PLAS as well. Now you could keep it different if you want. You could just change the name here. You don't have to necessarily do it here. This is what I like doing. I want to see the company's name there, not an individual's name. But again, you can pick your own. It's up to you. If you want the name of individual to be there, you can pick that as a choice as well. Then you will add the address. You'll add any notes about that vendor. You can say how much that vendor is charging you for the project. For ABC project, let's say. And you get attachments now. I love this feature in QuickBooks Online. You can add any kind of attachments here. I love adding these two documents here. One is W-9 from that vendor. Two is any contract that I've signed with that vendor, any proposal, any code, anything like that. And of course, feel free to add any other attachments that are important for you. ACH payments. So next section, ACH payments. This is important when you want to add payment information for that vendor, what the account number is, what their routing number is. So this way, when you're ready to pay that vendor, you don't have to look for that information anywhere else. Next section is additional information. One of the best sections, one of my favorites. You can click on track payments for 1099 if you're supposed to issue a 1099 to that vendor at the end of the year. Now you can add the tax ID here. This is extremely helpful when you are ready to issue 1099s at the end of the year. Extremely helpful. You can add your account number with them if you have, like, if they have given you any customer number, you can add your customer number here with them. Accounting, you can pick a default expense category here. I'm going to pick advertising, but you can pick whatever service that vendor is providing you. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Do not enter any opening balances here. Just click on save and you are done adding the vendor. You have all the vendor information in here. So I can just click on this vendor information, PLAS. You'll see everything about that vendor here. This is the transaction list. These are the vendor details. And that's it.